Alright, today I'm at Picacho Peak. Gonna climb up to the summit on, I believe it's the Hunter Trail. So the trail's usually crowded, so I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking out there. But I am gonna show some of the sketchier parts, probably in full. So if you wanna do this trail, you know what to expect. Alright, let's go hike. Alright, that's Picacho Peak. My guy says it was just under 3 miles there and back. Just under 1,600 feet elevation gain and loss. took me 2 hours and 52 minutes, which is miserable. Last time I did this was like an hour and 40 minutes. So I still can't really use my right arm that well. So I'm going to blame it on that and not the fact that I sat on the couch pretty much doing nothing for the last 2 weeks. Yeah, it's the arm thing. All right, we're done here.